Many new beautiful pictures of Yagmur Yüksel have been shared on social media. Yagmur was looking so much pretty and beautiful as usual. Orange color was suiting her a lot. She was looking just like a fairy tale. She has also shared beautiful pictures on social media. Yagmur Yüksel was looking just like a fairy, and her beautiful pictures are really liked and admired by the fans a lot. So Yagmur beautiful pictures have been shared on social media. She was in a fairy look. Baris has given a reaction. He was also happy and delighted to see that.